I founded iQualTech off the back of trying to find products that I couldn't find and then realising that there was a gap in the market for them. We started using FBA from Amazon in the UK, and we used that for a number of months. Then we realised that there was the opportunity to sell to the European market. So we started then selling using multi-country inventory. Beyond that, then we decided to move stock actually into the fulfillment centres in Europe. So we actually had stock that we shipped into Germany and stock that we shipped into France. Our biggest issues whenever we were selling through FBA using the EFN network from Amazon was the fact that the products weren't available on next day delivery to the customers. And because of the fulfillment fees that we had to pay on top of the normal ones, our prices couldn't be as competitive as we'd like them to be. When we moved to pan-EU FBA, it allowed us all of a sudden to have product that's actually sitting in the fulfillment centre nearest to the customer. And because we're not paying any additional fees for that, we're actually able to be extremely competitive on our pricing. That therefore means that we sell more of the units and it creates a virtuous circle, improving our sales in those countries. We want to expand the number of products that we're doing in the UK, but then we're going to be expanding across Europe as we're doing now, which is very exciting. And we're also looking to expand beyond that. So we've started to sell products in India and the US, and we've got eyes on Japan, Mexico, pretty much every country that Amazon's opening up in. We've now decided we let Pan-European FBA handle everything for us. It's a much better solution in total, because what it means is that the system that Amazon's created will actually predict where our stock needs to be and moves the stock between the fulfillment centres. We don't have to think about that. It allows me to be much more strategic in my thinking and get on with that, whilst Amazon manages the FBA stock on a day-to-day basis.